A beautiful garden does not always require constant work. Some plants quietly return year after year, filling the garden with color while asking very little in return. These reliable perennials grow stronger with time and make gardening easier. Low-maintenance perennials are the backbone of a lasting garden. Once established, they tolerate changing weather, require minimal care, and provide dependable beauty season after season. Here are 10 hardy perennials that help create a stunning garden with far less effort. Lavender instantly brings a sense of calm to the garden with its silvery foliage and soft purple flower spikes. The plant releases a relaxing fragrance whenever the breeze moves through the blooms. Lavender is especially loved for its ability to tolerate dry soil and sunny conditions, making it a dependable choice for gardeners who prefer plants that do not need constant watering. It performs beautifully in USDA hardiness zones 5 through 9, where warm summers help the plant thrive while attracting bees and butterflies. Daylilies create bold splashes of color with trumpet-shaped flowers that appear throughout the summer. Each bloom lasts only a single day, yet the plant produces so many buds that the display continues for weeks. Gardeners appreciate daylilies because they adapt easily to different soil types and require very little maintenance once established. These resilient perennials grow well across USDA zones 3 through 9, making them one of the most widely adaptable flowering plants for home landscapes. Coneflowers bring a wildflower charm to garden beds with their large pink or purple petals surrounding a spiky central cone. The sturdy stems stand tall through wind and summer heat, creating a natural meadow look. Gardeners value coneflowers for their long blooming season and their ability to attract butterflies and beneficial insects. They grow reliably in USDA zones 3 through 9, where they handle drought and poor soil surprisingly well. Sedum adds texture and structure with its thick, succulent leaves and clusters of star-shaped flowers that appear in late summer. The plant slowly spreads into dense mounds that fill empty garden spaces with minimal care. Sedum is especially useful for gardeners dealing with hot, dry conditions because the fleshy leaves store water efficiently. It grows best in USDA zones 3 through 9 and thrives in sunny locations where many other plants struggle. Few flowers brighten a garden as easily as Black-Eyed Susan. Its golden yellow petals and dark center create a cheerful wildflower appearance that stands out in borders and natural plantings. These hardy plants grow vigorously and often reseed themselves, allowing the garden to expand naturally over time. Black-Eyed Susans flourish in USDA zones 3 through 9 and provide long-lasting summer color while attracting pollinators. Hostas transform shady garden corners into lush green spaces with their large decorative leaves. The foliage comes in many shades of green, blue, and variegated patterns, creating beautiful texture even without flowers. Gardeners appreciate hostas because they thrive in areas where many flowering plants struggle. These shade-loving perennials grow best in USDA zones 3 through 9, where they slowly form dense clumps that return larger each year. Russian sage brings movement and color with tall, airy stems covered in soft lavender blue flowers. The silvery foliage reflects sunlight and gives the plant a light, almost cloud-like appearance in the garden. Russian sage is extremely tolerant of heat and drought, making it an excellent choice for gardeners who want beauty without constant watering. It grows particularly well in USDA zones 4 through 9, thriving in sunny and dry landscapes. Coreopsis fills the garden with bright yellow flowers that seem to glow in the sunlight. The cheerful blooms appear continuously throughout the growing season and create a lively border in flower beds. Gardeners enjoy Coreopsis because it grows quickly, requires little care, and continues flowering even in tough conditions. It performs well in USDA zones 4 through 9, where it adds reliable summer color. Yarrow creates wide clusters of tiny flowers that form flat, umbrella-like shapes above feathery foliage. These blooms come in shades of yellow, pink, red, and white, adding soft color to natural garden designs. Yarrow is known for its toughness and ability to handle dry soil and strong sunlight. It thrives across USDA zones 3 through 9 and attracts beneficial insects that help support a healthy garden ecosystem. Peonies bring classic elegance to the garden with large, layered blooms that appear in late spring. The flowers often carry a sweet fragrance and create a dramatic focal point in garden beds. Once planted, peonies can live for decades with very little maintenance, making them a long-term investment for gardeners. They grow best in USDA zones 3 through 8, where colder winters help the plants produce strong blooms each year. A low-maintenance garden is not about doing less. It is about choosing plants that naturally thrive in your environment. With dependable perennials like these, the garden becomes easier to care for while still delivering color, texture, and beauty every season.